Alrighty, so this is the monthly update video for August for Pirate Software and all of our stuff. And let's get the Heartbound stuff out of the way first. So, for the first thing here, we've got new areas for the Mossbacks that are finished. So I finished everything in the house. I have all the dialogue in the house. I have a full cutscene in the house. All of this stuff is done. All the interactives in here are done. And yeah, I think it's quite nice. We made a bunch of really interesting, you know, art pieces for this, things that aren't displayed here that I think you'll see during the cutscene of the game that I think are kind of fun. I think it really sets the tone for these characters and how they interact with each other. And yeah, I just think it looks really good. I'm really happy with the way that it's come out. The next thing is we've got a cutscene that I'm going to be building here. That's about half finished, and then a new area here which is being made. And what I'm trying to do with this is something new and kind of unique. So I don't know if it's going to work, but if it does, it's going to be really neat looking. So you guys will just have to wait and see. I don't know if it's going to look nice or not. So yeah, it's going to be like the pathway is just this, and then here. And then once that is finished, this one's finished, and I think we're going to send the update out after this environment is done, because the next area involves a bunch of new music, and a bunch of new art, and a bunch of new tile set stuff, so it's quite a large amount of work. It's not a small amount like these things that I'm building here. So when this one is done, that's when the next update comes out. Outside of that, I've actually added a couple of new achievements to the game, so there's new achievements that are associated with this content and with earlier content. Of course, the new menu is all finished and ready to go for the next update. And soon, all the dialogue for this is going to be passed over to the translators. And I think there's about 500 or 600 lines of new dialogue in this area. So it's quite a bit amount, like it's quite a bit of new stuff for all of this, which are, you know, kind of neat. And there's a bunch of different interactions that can happen based on, you know, how you've played through the chapter as well. So you're not going to get all 500 lines of dialogue when you do this. You're going to get some of those lines of dialogue, not everything. From there, we've had a massive, massive update for the ARG. So if you're into doing the alternate reality game stuff, this has actually been documented by the ARG team. So these guys actually go and put it up on a wiki, which I think is amazing. It's actually really, really cool what they've done. But this is a huge amount of new puzzles for this, and they did a really good job solving this stuff. And you can find that at heartbound.fandom.com, and then you can pull up the wiki for the ARG. I think it's usually over on the right side. Let me go look. Yeah, it's on the right side over here. So you can click on this, and you can see that Phase 7 is what they're on right now, and they are on the stopwatch section. And the one that they just finished is Phase 6, and Phase 6 actually has Lunacy and Undoing, which are the two that they just solved, which I didn't think they were going to burn through it that fast, and then they did. They did a really good job, so you guys should definitely check it out if you're into the ARG stuff. And yeah, so that's kind of where we're at on the Heartbound update stuff. It's mostly just me writing dialogue and building out those new cutscenes. Also, Twitch has dropped their exclusivity, meaning as a Twitch partner, I'm now allowed to stream on any other platform that I want to, as long as I'm not streaming on that other platform at the same time as streaming on Twitch. So if you guys watch me here on YouTube, leave something in the comments to let me know if you want me to do a YouTube stream. A lot of people say that the streaming features on YouTube aren't as good, but frankly, I've been a partner on Twitch for almost 5 years now, and I've never streamed anywhere else, so I don't know what it feels like. So I'm thinking about doing like maybe a once-a-week stream over on YouTube on here, and just kind of see what it feels like, see how it goes, and see if people like it. And if you know, it turns out people don't like it, maybe I won't do it anymore. And if they do like it, then maybe I'll do it. So that's about it. And yeah, just, you know, tell me if you want me to do that or not. Anyway, normally I would have done this video on the 1st of the month, but and this is not Heartbound related stuff, but Gadget passed away. So some of you guys knew that she was having serious medical trouble. She had a stroke, and then took about 2.5 months to recover. She had another one. Turned out to be a brain tumor. And that's it. So I've taken the last like week and a half off, and just kind of dealing with it. You know, I had her for 18 years, so it's a long time. So sorry I didn't get the video out sooner, but that's kind of what's up. and I've stopped working on everything for about the last week and a half. I'm going to get back to work probably in the next 3 or 4 days, something like that. You guys got nothing to worry about. I'm okay. It's just, it's a lot, man. It's a lot. So, thanks for being there. Thanks for everything you guys do. And, you know, gonna be all right. So, I will see you guys later. I'll be back on stream probably in the next 3 or 4 days, like I was saying. And I hope you like the update when I push it out. I really do. Been a lot of work. But yeah. Bye.